Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon us all. Respect lecture of the speaking course and my fellow student. First of all, let us express our gratitude to God Almighty, because by His abundant grace and blessing, we can gather here in good health. On this occasion, allow me to deliver a speech entitled My Experience. Respect audience. Every human being has different life experience. This experience shape how we think, act, and develop. Experience are not just stories, but also valuable lessons that guide us toward a better life. Today, I would like to share some important experience in my life. Experience that provide meaning, learning, and motivation to keep moving forward. Ladies and gentlemen, the first experience I would like to share is one about failures. Once I participated in a competition at school. Full of confidence, I felt ready and confident that I could win, but in the end, the results weren't what I had hoped. I failed. In fact, I felt like I had given my best, but I still didn't succeed. Feeling of sadness, disappointment, and even shame enveloped me. But it was from that failure that I learned that not everything can be achieved easily. I learned that effort must be accompanied by thought, preparation, and more serious practice. That failure became a turning point for me to not give up easily. And from then on, I realized that failure is not the end, but rather the beginning of a journey toward success. The second experience was when I had to face a major life change. There was a time when I had to move environment, both school and residential. At first, the change was difficult. I had adapt to new friends, new teachers, and new habits. But over time, I learned that change is a part of life. Through that experience, I become more flexible, more willing to try new things, and more open to opportunities. I understood that life won't always be in my comfort zones. It's precisely when we step out of our comfort zone that we discover a stronger and more mature version of ourselves. Dear audience, I too have experience building self-confidence. I used to be shy and afraid of public speaking. Even when asked to introduce myself in class, I felt nervous. However, due to the demands of assignment, organizational activities, and encouragement from friends and family, I began to force myself to try. The first time I spoke in front of a crowd, I still felt shaky and my voice trembled, but I kept trying. Over time, I realized that fear can be overcome with practice. This experience was very meaningful because it made me believe that speaking ability is not just a talent, but a skill that can be honed. Today, I stand before you, proving that experience is the best teacher. Without that experience, I probably would have a courage to speak as I don't know. Furthermore, I also had important experience in the world of technology. In this modern era, technology is developing so rapidly. When I first encountered computers, gadgets, and digital applications, I only used them for entertainment. But over time, I saw that technology could be a tool for learning, working, and even being creative. I began to utilize technology to learn new things from school, materials and foreign language, to digital skills. Technology helped me with excitement, create presentation, and even broadened my perspective on the world. This experience taught me that when used wisely, technology can be a bright to a brighter future. Ladies and gentlemen, another very memorable experience was that of friendship. Friends are an important part of life. I had times when I felt alone, but ultimately, I met friends who support me, encouraged me, and made my life journey more enjoyable. From that experience, I learned that friendship teaches the meaning of mutual acceptance, mutual help, and mutual encouragement. Cooperation is also an integral part of life. In study groups or organizational activities, I learned to respect others' opinions, share tasks, and solve problems together. Besides friends, family is the deepest and most meaningful experience in my life. It was the first place I learned about love, responsibility, and discipline. My parents always provide support, both in the form of advice and encouragement when I face difficulties. Experience with my family taught me that even though the outside world is harsh and full of challenges, home is where we return to find strength. Without my family, I may not have been able to face life's challenges as well as I have. Ladies and gentlemen, all experience, failures, change, challenge, friendship, technology, and family have shaped the direction of my future. They have made me more mature, stronger, and more aware of who I truly am. I believe that the future is not determined by luck, but by the experience learned and applied. I am confident that my experience today will be invaluable in achieving my goals. Ladies and gentlemen, from the experience I share, there are several important things we can take away. Failure is not the end, but the beginning of learning. Failure change teaches us to adapt. Self-confidence grows from the courage to try. Technology can be a tool for growth if used appropriately. Friendship and family provide tremendous moral strength. Experience is life's best teacher. Every moment, every challenge, and every opportunity provides lessons that shape our character. Okay, this includes my speech this occasion. I hope the experience I share can inspire and motivate us all continue learning and growing. Thank you for your attention. I conclude this speech with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.